How to fix screen timeout changing automatically. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix screen timeout changing automatically. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So to fix your Android screen timeout changing, the main issue can be due to battery saver or power saving mode settings overriding your preferences. So you need to check both of those. So for that, first go to your settings, locate your settings app, and then tap on it. After that, go to display. After you're in a display, tap on it, then go to your screen timeout. So after you're here, select your desired time and then you can go back. Now we'll check our battery and power saving settings. So look for power saving mode, go to your battery. On your battery, go to power saving mode or battery saver. Then make sure that this is turned off. After that, disable auto adjustments. So if you find options like default optimization, make sure to turn that off. Also, something called the adaptive battery option. Tap on it and make sure that you have turned this off. So turn off any settings that automatically changes the screen timeout when battery saver activates. Also check for extreme battery saver or ultra battery saver. And finally, you can restart your device, press on the power and the volume up button and then tap on restart. And doing that should fix the problem for you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.